Peace be upon you and welcome to Pot of Food. Today I have my little helper with me and we are going to be making a very special healthy dessert together. And if you guys watch carefully throughout this video, you might spot my little helper going to take and eat my fig. So alert me in the comments if you see her do that.
She's a little bit impatient to eat this dessert, but honestly, I wouldn't blame her. Not only is it super delicious, but it's also sugar-free, gluten-free, and very healthy for you. There's also no milk, no butter, or any dairy products in this dessert recipe. It's completely plant-based and vegan. Right now, we are adding into this bowl our dry ingredients, which are surprisingly loaded with so many nutrients and vitamins and benefits for your body that I can't name them all.
But if you keep watching, I will tell you some very surprising and amazing benefits that this recipe may help with.
But before I do, if you guys are new here, make sure that you definitely click the like and subscribe button down below if you're interested in healthy dessert recipes that are naturally sweetened. I love doing that on my channel, and my goal is to bring you healthy dessert recipes that are sweetened naturally with just fruit. Okay, our dry ingredients are nicely mixed, so now I'm going to get out a blender and put about half of the mixture or a quarter of the mixture into this blender, and I'm just going to blend it until it's nice and fine and then mix it back into the dry ingredients. That's just for texture purposes, but if you're lazy like me, you can go ahead and skip it. So right here, I have some figs, and not so long ago, my little helper was desperately trying to eat them, which probably isn't that bad of an idea given their amazing health benefits for your body. Figs are good for your digestion, bones, and muscle health, and plus, they also are great to give a steady energy. Figs also have anti-inflammatory properties, and they also help with your blood circulation and oxygen flow. This recipe altogether is great for your energy and focus, blood sugar support, heart health, digestive health. It's also good for your skin, hair, and nails,
And so much more.
now, I know that might sound a little bit crazy, and you might not believe me at first. How can a dessert recipe have so many amazing benefits? Well, so you guys can see for yourself, I will be making special recipe cards with a nutrition label and all the benefits and facts that I could find about this recipe, and I'll link that in the description box if you guys would like to check that out. I also made very cute and easy to follow printable recipe cards with all the ingredients for this recipe and instructions. So if you guys would like to check that out, click the link in the description box. Okay, so I crushed the almonds just a little bit in the blender, but I did not blend them to a powder, just a little bit to make it easier to combine. I also did the same with the raisins.
So now we're going to set this aside.
Now we're on the final ingredients of this recipe, and we're going to make something that I call date caramel. Here I have some dates soaked in some water. I cooked it for about 5 minutes, and just until the dates were soft because mine were a little bit hard. If you already have soft dates,
you probably can skip it.
Then I just added in some coconut oil, and now we're going to give this a couple blends until it's very nice, smooth, and creamy. After that, we're going to add in some vanilla and mix it up. You could also add this in before while you're blending it, but I just didn't think that far.
So I'm adding it now.
This mixture right here that we just made can be eaten alone, and I also like eating it on my pancakes, waffles, and putting it in drinks. Quick note, if you guys have a food processor, I recommend using it. I'm just using a blender right now to blend up my ingredients because mine recently broke. But if you do have a food processor, it should make your life a whole lot easier, and you'll only have to throw all of your ingredients in one. Right here in this bowl is all the dry ingredients plus the nuts and figs from earlier. Now we're going to add in this date caramel mixture that we just made, and this is what's going to help everything come together. And that's all the ingredients. So if you guys are looking for something sweet and easy to make at home, I definitely recommend that you guys give this recipe a try. This is a great easy evening snack recipe that you can make. Also, if you guys do workouts a lot, this is awesome for energy boosting. So I definitely recommend eating this before. And if you have sweet cravings, definitely try this out. Okay, so I got out my cute little mini muffin pan here, and I oiled it just enough so that they don't stick, and we're going to bake this in the oven for about 8 to 12 minutes. Once they are done, they should be nice and golden brown, but still not dried out in the center. And if you guys haven't guessed the name of this dessert already, this is one of my childhood favorite desserts called Aussie Bites. Honestly, for me, they have the most nostalgic flavor, and this recipe replicates them perfectly. These are great to satisfy your cravings, and plus, they are sugar-free and healthy for you. Wait,
Before you guys go, I have a special announcement to make. I made a healthy dessert community where I will be sharing all of my top secret recipes and tips and tricks with you. Each month, I will share a new recipe, including special recipes from my cookbook that you guys definitely do not want to miss. I can't wait to see you all there, so click the link in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time.